XRP Future Millionaire. It's 9:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast on this December 31st, 2021, last day of 2021 in the great state of Michigan. I want to welcome everybody. We've also got today, as you guys know, Michigan in the college football playoff against Georgia at 7:30 tonight. So, something that I'll be paying attention to. We got a great chance. Thank you to everybody who's wished my Wolverines luck on Twitter this morning. But I really think we have a shot. You'll hear more about this later. But right now, I don't have time for that. In depth, today we have 5.7 billion of options expire today on the 31st. This was written yesterday, but this is what I was talking about at the end of my video yesterday, and I said that at my first update today I would talk about it. So an in-depth 5.7 billion of Bitcoin options set to expire on Friday. The flagship cryptocurrency shed more than 6% and dropped to under 48,000 on Tuesday. Some experts associate this year-end price turbulence with the upcoming massive options expiration event, which is scheduled to happen the last day of 2021. Almost 6 billion option contracts to expire Friday. A total of 129,800 option contracts worth almost 6 billion are slated to expire on Friday, marking one of the largest Bitcoin options expirations of the year. A look at the available data reveals that the majority of these contracts are call options. So call options, guys, means you're betting on it to go up. Puts, you bet on it to go down. Which are contracts that allow somebody to buy an asset at an agreed upon price prior to a certain date. According to Blofin, a digital assets management firm, the maximum paying price for Friday's option expiration is $48,000, which is the strike price with the most open option contracts. Excuse me. 48,000 is a strike price that would cause losses for the majority of option holders at expiration. Nevertheless, a large number of call options expiring on December 31st are set at 50,000. If institutional traders who are pushing towards the 48,000 strike price to make the highest number of open options contracts expire worthless manage to keep the price below 50,000, these options would be worthless at the time of expiration. So, everybody thinks they were going to wake up today and Bitcoin was going to be over 50,000. I kept being told this morning when I woke up, Bitcoin would be over 50,000. So, and it's not. However, if Bitcoin is at or above $50,000 at the time of expiration, then these calls would be in profit and a significant amount of Bitcoin will be bought, which would be bullish. Meanwhile, there would be significant amount of call options at 58 and 60,000 strike prices, which are likely to be useless as there is very little possibility of an end-of-the-year rally. Notably, Pentoshi, a pseudonymous analyst, has taken it to Twitter to show that Bitcoin's current price movement is very similar to when it was trading 64 to 69 on those occasions. Bitcoin consolidated for some time only to plunge later. Have a feeling we get some really great discounts. 22, they said. Where have we seen this before? Hint, multiple times. 64 top, 69 top. Ethereum giving off same vibes. Gets above the two highs. Consolidates for weeks. Have a feeling we get some really great discounts in 22. Price shouldn't be hovering here this long or returning the old range. Pentoshi, several red flags popping up on multiple time frames for Bitcoin. 1 day price consolidated for 50 days, broke out and is now back inside the range, potential deviation / thrust. 1 week, this is an ugly candle. If it closes like this at top of uptrend, 1 month, long ways to go, but momentum stalled, doji. All in all, since this massive options expiration has the potential to drastically alter Bitcoin's course of action, it has generated little uncertainty among traders, fueling end-of-the-year price volatility. At the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at around 47,100, down by more than 4%. But as we know, it's over 48,000 right now. But I definitely wanted to share that because that's the big story today. Bitcoin options expiring, $5.7 billion worth, 47,000. It needs to stay above 50,000, and then you got a bunch at 56 and 58,000. I don't see that huge rally to 56 to 58. I don't even see a rally to 50. A lot of people thought we were going to get 50, but now listen. If these call options go worthless, that means the ones that are bought up at 50 don't get bought up. The ones that are bought up at 56, these go out of the money and then nobody buys them. They're worthless. They're worth shit. So these strike prices that aren't going to be hit, I'm telling you, if we don't have the ability to get back to 50,000 and this was it, you're not even going to have a 47,000 strike price. This might close under 47 and just liquidate everybody. So this is important right now. If Bitcoin wants to do something, it has to do it now. I have a feeling that we're just hooking to create an arm, and this was just a little fake out push, but we're going to see, because the fact we didn't have anything happen up to this point speaks volumes. Right now we've got resistance at 48,879, the support at 47,944, which we're hanging on by our balls right now. If we fall through that, we got 47,183. And then we've got XRP. We've got 81 cent support, 88 cent resistance, same as yesterday. This looks like, if you want to talk, like, hey, a small head and shoulders, left, head, right, you could have something like that. So let's see if 81.1 holds. If it doesn't, we clearly are going back to the 75 cent double bottom. No reason to even sugarcoat it. So I wanted to bring you an update real quick this morning so that you guys could be up to the minute, up to date, and understand what's going on in the market. The two new people who joined Tom's Army yesterday, I really appreciate it. We're back up to 173 members. Remember, it is important to join Tom's Army, because when I go live, if you want to comment to me while I'm doing my live stream, you got to be part of Tom's Army, because we did that to combat the spam, and it's been absolutely phenomenal. You also get the exclusive emoji badges. You get my Telegram. That is probably the most important part. And then you get the exclusive content when I decide to put it out for members only. So remember, Bitcoin's trading between 48,200 roughly, or 47,998, and it's got low support at 47,118. It's trying to fall through that resistance support line at about 48,000. You got XRP with 81 cent support, 88 cent resistance. If it can break through that area, we got 95 cents upper end. And below us, we've got 75 cents. Make sure to hit that like button. I will be back shortly.